Good morning, students. We are going to discuss exercise 12.4, sum number 4, part number 2. Complete the following table and by inspection of the table, find the solution of the equation. Sum number 4, part number 2. Given equation 2x plus 3 equal to 4 and x values of x 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The value of x first of all, the putting value 3 is given in equation 2x plus 3 equal to 4. Here this value put the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. First of all, x is equal to 3. 2x x 3 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 4. 9 is equal to 4. It is solution or not? It is 9 and it is 4. Both values are changed and not equal. It means it has no solution. It has no solution. Okay. It is the value of 9 is not equal to the value of 4. Both values are not same. So we can say it has no solution. The value of x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. It is no solution. Next, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. The equation 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 to the 8 plus 3 is equal to 4. 11 is equal to 4. No equal to. Both values are different. Okay. This is the 11 and this is the 4. Is not equal to. Then we can say that it has no solution. One no solution, second no solution. अब मैं आपको वो 2 और 3 मोर वैल्यूज निकाल कर देता हूँ. 4, 5, 6 और 7 you complete yourself. Okay. Next value. Write down now. Hurry. Write down please. Next value put 9. Next value x is equal to 9. 2 into 9 plus 3 is equal to 4. 9 to 18 plus 3 is equal to 4. 21 is equal to 4. 21 and 4 are different values. So we can see that it has no solution. Okay, write down. Exercise complete and chapter also complete and new topic. Today is new topic, symmetry. New topic, today new topic, symmetry. First of all, symmetry. What symmetry? In a figure is divided into two coincident parts by a line, then the figure is called symmetry. About that line, the line is called its line of symmetry and or axis of symmetry or mirror line. We also say that figure has line of symmetry. It means example से मैं आपको बताता हूँ symmetry. I think it is a arrow, symbol of L. Look at this figure, arrow and symmetry. Okay. जो लाइन गिवन फिगर को टू पार्टों में डिवाइड करे और वो बैलेंस हो, we can say that symmetry. Next, more symmetry. We will discuss the next topic, types of symmetry. First of all, आप ये जान लीजिए कि सिमेट्री ये एरो का सिंबल था, इसको हमने लाइन से इसको दो पार्टों में डिवाइड कर दिया और टू पार्ट्स मींस ये तो इक्वल पार्ट्स भी कह सकते हैं, आप इसे बैलेंस भी कह सकते हैं। वो इक्वल पार्ट होंगे, जिस सिमेट्री का बैलेंस नहीं होगा तो उसकी सिमेट्री नहीं हो सकती। फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे नेक्स्ट है काइट, सेकंड है काइट। काइट इज दिस द सेम काइट से बेटा ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, सेम पे मत जाना, बस ये से काइट डिफरेंस इज अ काइट। काइट के टू पार्ट्स मींस बैलेंस करनी है ये पार्ट, तो टू इक्वल पार्टों में डिवाइड करेगा, इट मींस बैलेंस पार्टों में ये डिवाइड करेगा, उसको हम सिमेट्री कह सकते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट अब टाइप्स ऑफ सिमेट्री। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइन सेगमेंट, राइट डाउन करते चलना बेटा साथ के साथ, राइट डाउन प्लीज। नेक्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ सिमेट्री। फर्स्ट नंबर 1 लाइन सेगमेंट। ये यदि कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर है तो पूरी एक्सरसाइज 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट होगी। यदि ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको क्लियर है, ओके, तो एक्सरसाइज 13.1 so much easy. Line segment means it is a line segment, and symmetry okay, two equal पार्टों में इस लाइन सेगमेंट, ये the symmetry. Listen, a line segment has one line of symmetry, the perpendicular bisector of the segment. A line segment has one line of symmetry, the perpendicular bisector of the segment. Perpendicular bisector half more than and draw half more than next side. as a center this and as a center this, half of them and same or perpendicular bisector. So line segment, it means we can say line symmetry. Line symmetry. We can say it is line symmetry. Next, angle line segment के अंदर line symmetry. एंगल के अंदर line symmetry. So angle is the draw angle 30, 40, 60, etc. It is an angle like that 60 angle of symmetry. Half compass as a center this and arc this as a center this and arc this or arc this. It is a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Once again repeat. I repeat. Angle is the mark of 60 degree. 60 degree, and with the help of compass as a center this half, more than half, and making arc. Next, making arc and draw the line on the this point. It is a angle by angle of bisector of angle. We can say that line of symmetry. It is a line to balance pointed to part divided by two parts. Okay. Next, scalene triangle. You know scalene triangle. Three sides unequal. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Three sides are not equal. Unequal, not equal. A, B, and C. It is different. Also. Three sides unequal. We can say it has no symmetry because ये टू पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता. We can't divide to two parts. So it has no symmetry. It has no symmetry. Okay. Scalene triangle, it has no symmetry. Next, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Write down, please. Write down now. Scalene triangle. Next, equilateral triangle. Parallelogram. Isosceles triangle. Trapezium. Rectangle, rhombus, square. Many more shapes are given in your textbook. Next, equilateral. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is this. All sides are equal. A, B, and C is equal to this. Is equal to this. Three sides are equal. It means three line of symmetry. It have three line of symmetry. Okay, so first of all is this symmetry. First symmetry, first line of symmetry. Second, go through the point of B. A side, B side, and C side. A side, B side, and C side. Equilateral triangle, it have three line of symmetry because it is a one symmetry go through the point of A, and second symmetry through by point of B, and third line of symmetry by C. So 1, 2, and 3. It have three line of symmetry. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Okay. Next, rectangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, kite, arrowhead. Okay. So next figure is rectangle. Rectangle, the property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. The property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Complete, right? Okay. Next, rectangle. Rectangle A, B, C, O, D. AB is equal to CD or AD equal to BC. It means the property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD or BC is equal to AD also. Okay. Then it is a property of our topic is symmetry. Find out symmetry. Symmetry is one symmetry and second symmetry. Okay. How many line of symmetry in this figure? How many line of symmetry? It means 2. 1 and 2. Line of symmetry 2. It means it have 2 line of symmetry. Okay. Last and final. After the concept, we will solve 1. Next, square. The property of square. Anybody else? The property of the square. It have 4 sides and 4 sides are equal also. 4 sides equal also. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to D. Okay. 4 sides are equal for square, right? But we find line of symmetry. First of all, same symmetry, first symmetry. Okay, second symmetry, one or two, but other symmetry, yes, two or more, two more in this figure. First of all, yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 under symmetry. One square, four sides are equal, and line of symmetry, it have four line of symmetry. Why? First of all, one symmetry and second symmetry, two symmetry, like that rectangle. First of all, this, or second of this, first symmetry, second symmetry, two or more, it is AC by AC and by BD. We can say that it have four line of symmetry. Right now, write down. Hurry, bache. Do fast, and we come in exercise 13.1. In figure, sum number 1, part number 1, it has one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Second, the figure, no. Yes, start now in exercise 13.1. Check diagram, figure. Yes, start exercise 13.1. Figure is this, the type of figure. We find line of symmetry, a single line of symmetry. It has one line of symmetry. Okay, but balance पार्ट या तो टू इक्वल पार्टों में डिवाइड करता है या बैलेंस पार्टों में डिवाइड करता है. बोथ कंडीशन इज सेम. ओके, बोथ कंडीशन आर सेम. वी divide to two equal parts. Is this? Yes. So we can say that balance, we divide to balance part. Next, second figure is this. Balance, two balance parts. No, it is a minor, second is major. First first part is minor or second part is major. It means no line of symmetry. It means none or no line of symmetry. Divide two part, it has no balance. It is smaller, it is bigger. No balance means no symmetry, non-symmetry. Part third, third part, line of symmetry. Yes, yes, one line of symmetry. Yes, one line of symmetry. Okay, write down now very fastly. Next is this one. Complete next figure. Circle the given figure. Yes. One line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Okay. It is one line of symmetry. This topic is so much easy. One time, listen carefully, and all the students solve this exercise. All the students can solve the exercise. Only one time, listen carefully. Next part, 5, circle and this position. Symmetry? No, it has no symmetry. None symmetry, no symmetry. Okay? Two balance part में divide नहीं कर सकते. We can't two balance part. We can't divide two balance part. It means non-symmetry, no symmetry. Line of non-symmetry. Next diagram is and two parts. We can two balance part divide. We can divide two balance part. No, never. It means no line of symmetry. Okay. Part 6, part 7, 7 we can write part number 7. Part 7, one line of symmetry. Part 8, one of symmetry. Part 9, three line of symmetry. We saw it. Part number 9. The given Okay, it is line symmetry, and line symmetry. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 line of symmetry. Okay. First, last part, sum number 1. Part number last 9. It had 3 line of symmetry. Okay. Sum number 2. Draw the line of symmetry if any of the following pictures, objects, and count their numbers. Draw the line of symmetry if any of the following pictures and count their numbers. Phone, telephone. First picture is telephone. Listen. First picture is telephone. We can divide two balanced part. It means it has one line of symmetry. First picture is telephone. Second is chair. Chair is this. Chair, it has one line of symmetry. But why? We can divide two balanced part. It has one line of symmetry. Next, third, the zigzag line, the form of edge. So 1, 2, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line of symmetry. Part number 3. Part number 4, the flower. Flower have 5 parts. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It have 5 parts, means 5 line of symmetry. Next, one line of symmetry. 6, part number 6. A single line of symmetry, one line of symmetry. Sum number 3, draw the line of symmetry if any of the following road signs and count their number. The symbol road sign. First, one line of symmetry. Second, one line of symmetry. Third, one line of symmetry. Fourth, one line of symmetry. Okay. Sum number 4, number of 3. One line of symmetry. 3, we can divide two balanced part. 5, no symmetry. Why? We can't divide two balanced part. Okay. 6, no symmetry. 8, two line of symmetry. 8, this and this. 8, two line of symmetry. Sum number 5. Copy the following figure on a square paper and draw the lines of symmetry and count their number. First of all, one line of symmetry. Second, one line of symmetry. Third, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line of symmetry. 4 line of symmetry. 5, 1 line of symmetry. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetry. Next, sum number 6. Write the letter of words. Just look. We have no line of symmetry. Just look. Okay. Write the letter of words. Just look. Akash sir. Mr. Akash sir.